guys, I'm Marvelous Howard. It's great to be here. About 5 days ago, a dog ran into the bottom of my leg and hit me really hard. It was an Australian Shepherd, and it was about the size of a punching bag, and knocked me over when I was out with my dog. X-rayed, and it didn't break, but I kind of don't want to be on it too much. So I'm still gonna edit with my Adobe Premiere or Premiere Rush, but I'm just having some problems. I might even do iMovie. I don't know. I might end up doing iMovie. It's so easy for me. I've figured all that out so easily, but I really like the Premiere Rush. And so anyway, I'm just going to do what I can do in every room. My house is a wreck as usual. I went out this morning because it was supposed to be pouring down raining right now. So I did my errands. I went to pick up my x-rays and went grocery shopping. And then I came home and laid on the Beamer, the magnetic device that's by my dining room table that my husband doesn't want to move, but it works really great. So it is a magnetic, I don't want to say what it is because I might get something mixed up unless I'm reading something I wrote. But anyway, I'm going to clean the kitchen. We're going to speed it up and see how it goes. Hopefully I can edit on my computer I know how to sync it with my computer, so I will do that. So anyway, I'm going on rambling too much. Thanks for taking the time to watch any of my videos. I really, 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 really appreciate it. And we're going to clean the kitchen. My house is just a wreck. It doesn't take very long anyway. Seriously, I'm off the floor yesterday. It's just like too much. It's not too much, but you know what? Once you get in there and do something. So I'm going to do it, but I'm not going to overdo it because I might need to put my feet up. So here we go. On my camera, but whatever. You know what? I think all YouTubers go through this. So if you're a YouTuber, you understand that you hit some roadblocks, and it's okay because then after you do it 30 or 50 times, it's all good. Here we go. Frozen turkey breast will fit in my fast pot. So it's still frozen. I just tested it out and it does. So I am going to take the wrapper off. And I think I'm just going to cook it for a little while because then I want to take the plastic bag out, but I don't want to thaw the whole thing out. And I don't want to really touch it that much. So I'm just going to take the wrapper off, and then I'm going to put it in here for like 10 minutes or whatever. Cook it on low for 10 minutes, and then maybe I'll be able to get the bag out of the middle of it. And then I'll cook it the rest of the way, and I'll let you know. I probably have to cook it like 30 minutes on high and then 30 minutes on high, but if I don't get back to this, a great channel to watch on YouTube is Six Sisters Stuff, and she just did a live video about a frozen turkey breast, and it's so funny because that's what I looked up on YouTube and that popped up. So anyway, I'm going to try it. I'm not going to thaw it as much as she did. She took the little bag out. I'm going to kind of thaw it in here a little bit, take the bag out, and then just rewatch her video. So in the Six Sisters Stuff, they cook a lot of chicken breast and turkey and whatnot from frozen. And so it makes dinner fast and super easy, and you don't even have to really like grossly thaw anything out, which is really great. So anyway, here's my frozen turkey breast. that I purchased at Aldi, this frozen turkey breast, the gravy packet is on the outside. So actually, you know, you could probably just thaw it overnight and then just take the gravy pack. I don't even know why they even put a gravy packet on there. You could probably just take it off. So I'm just going to cook it for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to take that off. Okay, so I'm just going to cook this for about 10 minutes with a little salt and pepper. And as soon as this coronavirus gets out of this country, I'm getting a housekeeper and we're just going to organize and decorate. Woohoo! Okay, let's put some rosemary. I gotta have some rosemary, man. Where is it? Here it is. Gotta have a little rosemary in there, right? There we go. Okay, the nice part of cooking is that uses all of your senses, which I'm sure you realize that, but you know, there's something to be said for that. So, close it, make sure it's closed, and let's just do manual. I think I'm just going to do low. And I think I'll just do 30. Okay, let's just do 10 minutes. And then I'll peel off the gravy packet. I really don't like to cook plastic for very long. There we go. All right. It's heating. And it's on the X, which is closed. So we'll just let that go. It takes a little while for that. You know, I don't know if you guys feel like this or not, but even if you don't have an injury, this is a really hard time of the year because you've got to get stuff done outside. And, you know, you got to get stuff done inside. So it's a crazy time of the year. And, you know, if you eat out, that gets old too. So sometimes I like to just cook, just throw something together that's edible. So, you know, what can you do, right? These clothespins. And I use this super glue. Is this super glue? The original super glue. I got this super glue at the Dollar Tree and it comes in these little, you know, it always glues itself shut. So it comes in these little teeny individual things. So I like to keep that on hand. And then I like these clothespins because they're good to keep potato chips or whatever closed. We don't really keep that many potato chips, but that. And I like to keep some tape here in case you use like half a box of pasta, you can tape it shut. And then another thing I like to do is, these are kind of messy right there, but I like to keep some stickers on hand and a Sharpie. And then if I'm putting food away and it's, like yesterday we had subs, so I put, you know, my husband's name on his and, you know, how, like, we're all in kindergarten, right? Stickers. Get some stickers. Get some tape. Why not? Fill up your junk drawers. Woohoo! Okay, so the turkey breast is cooking a little bit, and we're going to finish cleaning the kitchen. Here we go. I like to put my washcloth in the microwave to sanitize it. I think it's okay. It's not on fire. Okay, I think I'm going to go sit down and rest my knee, and I'll be back. But you were doing such a good job with those biscuits. I was wondering what I was going to have with my turkey. Okay, this is, let's see how it's doing. Let's let out some of the steam. You should never touch this release with your hands, so I'm going to do it with this. I think I left it too long. So, okay, so we're on keep warm, so we're good. And there's the bag. I'm going to peel it out. I really need, you know what I really need? Some stainless steel tweezers. That's what I need. I think I'm going to invent my own line of kitchen utensils. But I might. That'd be good. Yeah, I guess that's kind of a good family kind of meal. Ooh. Okay, let's get that plastic. I don't really like cooking plastic. But anyway, you know what? Let's get rid of those germs. Okay, now I think I'm going to turn it. And I am going to cook it about... I'll cook it about 30 minutes. Okay, manual pressure, 30 minutes. High. Start. There we go. That should just about do it. We'll check and make sure it's done and everything. And let's just set our gravy on the side here. Okay, so that'll be an easy meal. I think we're just going to have and turkey breast with gravy and maybe a lettuce wedge. That'll be good. So anyway, that's good. I'm going to put my feet up. Anyway, that's life. So here we go. We're going to check this out. So the bag did come off after 10 minutes and it was on the outside. So that was good.